morning. My name is Joe Messina. I'm a professor of geography and the acting director of the Center for Global Change and Earth Observations here at Michigan State University. Megatrend 1 is really focused on the core science questions of how is climate change directly impacting people on the ground? How does it change vulnerability to food security? And then what are the kinds of things that we can do to minimize those risks and to maximize production to meet the needs, the food needs, the nutrition needs of local and regional populations, and global populations in the future. And so we are specifically looking at real issues with climate change. How is climate change going to affect the agricultural production within a place? Is it going to increase yields? Will it decrease yields? Will we have to change crop types? Will we have to change cropping systems? What will we have to do to accommodate these almost inevitable changes related to climate change? The principal activities in Megatrend 1 since the launch has been to assemble the team. So we have a very nice, large core team of faculty and students who are all engaged in addressing these questions of climate change and agricultural production. We have faculty on agricultural innovations, our climate change, regional climate modeling generally, our pressures on land use, land cover change, population, migration, land tenure issues on the social side, and irrigation, smallholder irrigation issues as well. One of the big challenges with science, with any big science program, is communication. How do you communicate across disciplines? How do you communicate across topics, fields, countries? Just as simple as language, everybody's aware of language barriers, but there's scientific barriers to communication as well. And so the goal of translational scholars, and my personal goal here, is that these different groups of students will be able to interact with each other, learn to communicate scientifically, and then apply these new knowledge foundations, if you will, to development problems around the world. So the real key, the goal here for the students is to learn, and to learn what every different group is doing so that they can effectively communicate with each other and in fact serve as a bridge among the scientists as well. Because they're the only group that's really tasked with building that communication bridge across all of the megatrends within the GCFSI here at MSU.